And then after niyan, let's go naman sa CSS natin. So sa CSS natin, ang unang iko-call out natin will be yung hero natin. That hero. Opening and closing curly bracket. And then we will set yung text align natin into center. Then after that, yung padding natin ay set natin siya into 100px and 20px. Then after nun, that hero, then kunin natin si h1. Tapos set natin yung font size niya into 48px. So after nyan, that hero, then yung P, then opening and closing curly bracket, then set natin yung margin niya sa top, and then 20px will do. Then after that, yung font size, set natin siya into 20px. Yan. So, eto ngayon yung sa part ng hero section natin.